We often count our daily steps as a simple measure of health. But the human body is far more than just a counting machine. Exercise is not just about burning calories. It is the profound way we communicate with our nervous system that we are still alive. In this modern world, we have traded our natural mobility for comfort. We sit while our potential for movement slowly fades into the shadows of routine. Welcome to a journey of rediscovery. Today, we look beyond the surface of fitness to find the original flexibility that keeps the body forever young. Our joints were designed to move like water flowing without resistance. When we lose this fluidity, we begin to age faster than we should. To stay young is to stay mobile. It is the ability to interact with the world with grace, strength, and effortless natural ease. This is a call to return to your roots, to listen to the wisdom of your ancestors and the biological signals your body sends every day. Every movement you make is a choice between stagnation and growth. Let us explore the 5 secrets to unlock your body's true potential. Are you ready to stop counting steps and start reclaiming your freedom? Let's dive into the first secret of living on the earth itself. Secret 1. Lower your center of living. The chair is a convenient modern invention, but it has become a cage that freezes our vital hips. When we return to the floor, every moment of rest becomes an active recovery. Our joints must constantly adapt to the natural geometry of the ground. Sitting on the floor naturally encourages a neutral spine. It forces the hips to open and the core to engage, reversing the damage of office life. Incorporate the ground into your daily routine. Spend time there while you work, eat, or relax. This is a powerful biological restoration. The primal squat is our natural resting state. By reclaiming this position, you restore the range of motion that most adults lose by age 30. Notice how the body responds to the firm support of the earth. There is a sense of groundedness that no ergonomic chair can ever provide. Your home should be a playground for movement, not a museum of furniture. Remove the barriers between your body and the world. Movement at ground level engages every muscle group. It builds functional strength that translates directly into the tasks of daily life. By mobilizing the pelvis through ground living, you release lower back tension and improve circulation to the entire lower half of your body. This isn't about discomfort. It's about rewilding your lifestyle. Small, consistent shifts toward the floor will create massive changes. Let the floor be your therapist. Let the earth be your foundation. Once you master the ground, you are ready to master your nervous system. Secret 2. Engage in a dialogue with your nervous system. Real flexibility isn't just about muscles. It is controlled by your brain's signals. When we move slowly and with intention, we are mapping out blind spots in our brain. We are reclaiming territory we have long forgotten. Every joint rotation sends a signal to the motor cortex. You are telling your brain that this range of motion is safe and necessary. Concentration is the key. Without focus, movement is just a habit. With focus, it becomes a tool for neurological restructuring. Think of your joints as sensors. By moving them through their full range, you are updating the software of your body to navigate the world. This dialogue is a two-way street. Your body informs your brain, and your brain commands your body with greater precision and less effort. Don't just stretch your muscles. Talk to them. Ask your nervous system to let go of the protective tension built up over many years. Every conscious movement creates new neural pathways. You are literally rewiring yourself for better balance and a life free from pain. The quieter you become, the more you can hear. In this physical silence, your nervous system finds the confidence to explore new depths. Micro movements are just as important as macro ones. Pay attention to your hands, your feet, and the small articulations of your spine. You are the architect of your own physical experience. Use your mind to rebuild the bridge between intention and action. Secret 3. Find strength in stillness. Why should we stand still while the world is running? Because stillness is where true power resides. The horse stance is a test of both body and spirit. As your muscles tremble, you are forging a foundation that is unshakable by time. This is not just about leg strength. It is about the resilience of your connective tissues, the fascia and tendons that hold you together. While dynamic exercise builds the muscle, static holds build the glue of the body. They create a structural integrity that protects you from injury. Stay in the fire of the struggle. When you want to quit, that is when the real training begins for your mind and your connective system. Breathe into the tension. Use your breath to anchor yourself when the body wants to flee. This is how you master stress from the inside out. A strong foundation allows for a flexible upper body. Without the root, the tree cannot bend in the wind. It simply breaks. True strength is the ability to remain calm in the midst of intensity. It is the core of ancient physical wisdom. We are reclaiming a type of fitness forgotten in the age of high-intensity cardio and superficial muscle building. Every second you hold this position, you are telling your body to densify its bones and strengthen its roots for decades to come. When you finally move, you will find a new sense of power and stability. You are no longer just walking. You are moving with purpose. The foundation is set. Now we must address the parts of you frozen by the cold grip of modern living habits. Preparation is over. It is time to melt the ice and let the energy of your body flow once again like a mountain stream. Secret 4. Release the frozen zones. Modern life locks us into fixed positions, turning fluid joints into rigid blocks of ice. The shoulders and the thoracic spine are the first to freeze. When we lose movement here, we lose our ability to breathe and express ourselves. Learn to move like water. A healthy spine should be a whip, not a pillar. It should be able to ripple and flow effortlessly. Open your ribcage. When you release the tension in your chest, you allow your lungs to expand fully, bringing life-giving oxygen to every cell. As the ice melts, energy begins to flow. This is the restoration of blood flow and nerve conduction throughout your body. Twisting is the ultimate way to wring out old tension. It massages internal organs and hydrates the discs between your vertebrae. Your body is mostly water. When you stop moving, that water becomes stagnant. When you flow, you become a vibrant ecosystem of health. Hang to heal. Gravity is usually our enemy, but when we hang, it becomes a therapist that pulls our joints back into natural alignment. Feel the sliding surfaces of your body. When your tissues are hydrated and mobile, you move through the world with a sense of lightness. Release the brakes on your movement. Most of us walk with the emergency brake on. It's time to let go and feel the freedom. The frozen zones are now thawed. Your body is ready for the final secret, the one that turns movement into a lifelong legacy. Secret 5. Movement is an investment in your future. Every minute spent on mobility today is a gift to your older self. Do not let age be a cage. Imagine being 80 years old and still being able to sit on the floor and play with your grandchildren. The ability to move is the ability to participate in life. Without it, the world becomes smaller and smaller as the years go by. We are not training for a competition. We are training for life. We are training to be the person who never needs help getting up. Flexibility is the ultimate insurance policy. It protects your joints, your heart, and your mind from the decay of sedentary aging. You have the power to change your biological trajectory. You can choose to be the exception to the rule of physical decline. True wealth is not measured in currency, but in the range of motion you still possess in your golden years. Don't wait until you lose it to appreciate it. Start investing in your flexibility now, while you still have the vitality to build a foundation. Let your movement be a legacy. Let the way you inhabit your body inspire others to reclaim their own physical potential. You are never too old to start, and never too young to prepare. The journey to original flexibility is a lifelong path of joy. We have covered the 5 secrets. Now, the choice is yours. Will you stay frozen, or will you choose to flow? Flexibility is not about touching your toes. It is about touching the infinite possibilities that exist within your being. Start today, right where you are. Even 5 minutes of intentional movement can begin to undo years of neglect. Your body is a temple of movement. Treat it with the respect and curiosity it deserves. You are a masterpiece in constant motion. Repeat this to yourself. I am not done yet. My body is still capable of growth, of change, and of achieving graceful freedom. Thank you for joining this journey. May your steps be light, your joints be fluid, and your spirit be forever unyielding and free. The floor is waiting for you. Step down, reach out, and rediscover the original flexibility that has always lived inside of you.